Alright, notes. 2x plus 5 equals 13. Solving two-step equations. So, what you got here is 2x plus 5 is equal to 13. So, what do I need to do first step?
Walk into it.
Subtract 5 from both sides. I end up with 2x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2, and I end up with x is equal to 4, and that's my answer. Yes, and you will show me all your work. If you don't show me your steps, you will receive no credit.
Is there a grade?
Yes. Next one. 4x minus 3 equals 9. Soon you will be on notebook paper for everything. Okay? 4x. There we go. So we need to get our constants and our variables on opposite sides of the equal sign. Remember, they are the Bloods and the Crips. Okay? They can't be on the same side of the street. Your constants are your Crips. Your variables are your Bloods. What happens when they're on the same side of the street? That's right. So we don't want that, do we? So we're going to put them on the different sides of the tracks. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. Yeah, I teach gang math. We got 4x is equal to 12. We're going to divide by what's next to our x on both sides. X is equal to 3. Okay? What? Alright, what is this? It's right here. Negative 1x plus 5 equals 1. So now, we're going to subtract 5. I get negative 1x is equal to negative 4. Can I leave it like that? Somebody said no. Why can I not? You can never leave your variable negative. So, how am I going to undo that negative 1x and make it positive? I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1, or I could divide by negative 1, whichever floats your boat. Okay? As long as you do on one side what you do to the other side, you are just grand. It's all peachy. I could multiply by negative 5 on both sides if I really wanted to, but it doesn't get me where I want to get. Does that make any sense? Okay? It does, as long as I do it on both sides, it doesn't change the equality. So, I have an x now. Well, 1x is equal to 4, and I'm done. Box your answer. Let's see, who knows what to do here?
You just add the x plus the 2.
No, you do not. One is a constant, one is a variable. So you have to distribute your multiplication. It's called the multiplication distributive property, okay? And this is going to be 3 times x, which is what? 3x. Then you have to take your 3 and multiply it times a positive 2, which gives you plus 6 is equal to 15. Now I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides, and I end up with 3x is equal to, what's here? 9, right? Divide both sides by 3, and I get x is equal to 3. Okay? Let's try another one that's similar. 2 parentheses 2x minus 1 is equal to 10. 2 times 2 is what? 4. So you're going to distribute your multiplication. 4x, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 is equal to 10. Next step, add 2, add 2. That gets my variables and my constants on opposite sides. 4x is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 4, and I get x is equal to 3.